Hey, so we were watching our cousin's YouTube earlier today, and we saw that she has a video called Sarah Makes Herself Hiccup.
Something like that.
And her channel is called Cheese Rocks My World. You should really check it out.
Cheese Rocks My CheeseRocksMyWorld. And she's one of her friends.
No spaces, no nothing. So, if you can't type that in because she's a weirdo, she's hard to understand, you just go to my channel, which is somewhere up in this corner, I think. Not exactly sure. It might be on the other corner, so that probably looked really weird. Okay, but so we're gonna see if it's just her who can eat the bread really fast.
She's kind of weird. She does weird things.
Yeah. See if it's just her who can eat bread really fast to make herself hiccup, or if it's anyone. So we're gonna try it, but we're not only doing this for fun. It's gonna be a race between me and my lovely sister Jane to see who can eat their bread first and hiccup first.
Well, neither one of us might be hiccuping.
Yeah. Hopefully we will. Ready? Go.
You're really hard.
This might take a while.
I'm testing her now.
It's hard. I'm winning. And this is hard. I think I should try this. Let us know if it works. Just comment down here. Now what's the last of my bread? No hiccups for me. Must just be her. Or I'll wait on you. Well, I guess I win the contest. Unless she hiccups, then she automatically wins.
Not really.
That was fake. So you guys should try it. Let us know if it works.
Or watch a person who can really make it work.
Yes. Cheese Rocks My World. She is my friend.
Cousin.
And she's my cousin, but she's on my friend's page. She's like my second or third, I think. I don't know. Go to my channel, click on her, watch the video. It's awesome. She's a freak, but you gotta love her.
Watch it.
Oh yeah, watch it right now. Go to it now. Hold on, now.